Hi, this is Dave from Newmac Equipment. It's been quite a time, but I thought it's time that I did another little walk around our warehouse. So as you can see, we've got quite a range of different machines. A couple of Hercus lathes there. At the moment, we've got a small sort of CNC router. Okay, this is a small sort of hobby CNC milling machine. Okay, and both it all comes with the computers and all fully working. This is the racking we've got with some tooling that we've got for sale. So you can see there's machine vices, woodworking vices, the good old Dawn offset vices, lots of drills, lots of different sizes, lots of taper sleeves. Okay, and this is kind of the accessories bench. So lots of milling tooling, yeah, tool posts, more accessories. So there's lots of lathe tooling, milling tooling. And I'll do a bit of a walk down the shop. So at the moment, I'll just go across the way. You can see we've got a few hobbing machines. Good old Colchester master lathes. Okay, we've got a few CNC lathes at the moment, as well as a Hardinge lathe there. Mill drill. Key seater, which is used for broaching. It's a toss lathe that we're currently doing a bit of work on. Morosiki CNC lathe. That's a single phase lathe that we've got at the moment. Quite a few turret mills, as you can see. Walking down this aisle, got a nice punch and shear, two punch and shears, an Eba and a Kingsland. Universal milling machines. And geared head drills, pedestal drills. So as you can see, lots to choose from. And just there we've got a really nice jack mill tool and cutter grinder, almost like new. And then we've got surface grinders, some hydraulic power packs, another small lathe. It's a three-phase machine. And then we've got a bit of woodworking gear in at the moment as well, and some cylindrical grinders down in this sort of area. So this is our grinding section, really. Okay. So a nice compressor. And over this section we've got a bit more woodworking gear. Plus we've got radial drills. There's a few other machining centres and things like that over that area. And there's some coil handling machines. Okay, and a few press brakes sitting down here as well. Just go around here, a few hydraulic presses, older John Heine C-frame press. And in this area, this is where we keep all our lathe chucks and face plates and all that sort of thing. Lots of tooling, like BT50 tooling, compressors, old Herbert turret mills, lathes, sorry. And then we've got some good welding equipment. So that's more or less sort of wraps it up really. So yeah, if you're looking for any of that sort of equipment, or if you've got any machinery you want to sell, come and see us. One other area that I forgot to put on in the general description was the sheet metal sort of section. So you can see we've got a few guillotines in at the moment, and I'll just go through over here. So some nice sheet metal rollers and a nice pan brake folder as well there. So